Kitchens are the heart of the home, and everyone uses them differently. These rooms have become a multifunctional area used for socializing and entertaining, becoming the central room in a home. As one of the most highly used areas, the materials used in a kitchen need to be durable and easy to maintain. Over the years, our customers have built just about every style of kitchen you can imagine. Sit back and get inspired by some of our most gorgeous client kitchens. Thanks for watching, and let us know what your favorite kitchen is in the comments below.